Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture. Today we are going to discuss some very important multiple choice questions on the topic plant cell. So in this series, first question is, which of the following scientists first discovered the cell? So it was Robert Hooke who first discovered the cell. When he observed a cork under the microscope, then he observed a honeycomb-like structure which looked like this, and then later he came to know that these were the dead cells. So he was the first scientist who discovered the cell. Next question is, the study of cell as a fundamental unit of living thing is known as. So when we study the cell as a fundamental unit of living thing, it is known as cytology. Next question is, the study of cell, its type, structure, function and organelle is known as. So when we try to study the cell, its type, structure, function and organelles, this is known as cell biology. Next question is, which of the following cells carry out the transport of food in a plant cell? So in a plant cell, the function of transport is basically carried out by two kind of cells. The first one is your phloem cells and second is xylem cells. So the transport of food material takes place through phloem cells, whereas the transport of water molecules and along with the nutrient takes place through xylem cells. Next question is, which of the following organelle is present in plant cell but it is absent in animal cell? The answer is cell wall. Cell wall is found only in plant cells. It is absent completely in case of animal cells. Whereas mitochondria, ribosome and nucleus, they are found in both plant cells as well as animal cells. Next question is, which of the following statement is true about the cell wall? So the options given to you are, it is mainly composed of cellulose or fats, starch or the inorganic ions. So the cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. Next question is, which organelle is known as powerhouse of the cell? So we all know that the organelle mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Inside the mitochondria there is synthesis of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, and these molecules are known as energy currency of the cell, and because their synthesis takes place in the mitochondria, so mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Next question is, the protein factory or the kitchen of the cell is. So the organelle ribosome is known as the protein factory of the cell because synthesis of the protein takes place here. Next question is, the suicidal bags in the cell are. There is an organelle which is called as lysosomes and it serves as a suicidal bag. Next question is, the lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because of. They are known as suicidal bags because of the hydrolytic activity. They contain lots of hydrolytic enzymes, and whenever a cell wishes to die or if there is a problem in the cell and if it has to commit the suicide, so what happens is the lysosomes burst and all the hydrolytic enzymes comes out and they digest the cell. Next question is, the cell membrane is. So the cell membrane is semi-permeable in nature. Semi-permeable means that it will allow the movement of some molecules inside the cell and some molecules outside the cell. Not every molecule can come inside the cell and not any molecule can go outside the cell without its permission. So it is semi-permeable in nature. Next question is, the oxygen and carbon dioxide crosses the cell membrane by the process of. So the oxygen and carbon dioxide crosses the cell membrane by the process of facilitated diffusion. Next question is, which of the following organelle is known as the brain of the cell? So the organelle nucleus, it is known as the brain of the cell. Next question is, the membrane surrounding the central vacuole is known as. Tonoplast is a membrane which surrounds the central vacuole. Next question is, what is true about the nucleus? So the first statement given to you is, it is known as brain of the cell. Second statement is, it is absent in prokaryotic cells. Third statement is, it contains DNA and genetic material, and the fourth one is all of the above. So nucleus is definitely known as the brain of cell, and yes, it is absent in case of prokaryotic cells and present in case of eukaryotic cells. The third statement is also correct, that it contains DNA and genetic material. So the correct answer is all of the above. It means all these statements are correct about nucleus. Next question is, which of the following cell organelle does not contains its own DNA? So we know that nucleus also contains DNA, mitochondria also contains its own DNA, and chloroplast also contains its own DNA. So there is a organelle lysosomes. It does not contains its own DNA. So the correct answer will be lysosomes. Rest other organelles, that is nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast, they contains their own DNA. These are the some references from where I have collected these questions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of it. Thank you so much.